Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Philips 34E1C5600HE monitor. So friends, Philips announced the 34-inch 34E1C5600HE monitor, and friends, it is designed to meet the specific needs and challenges that comes with a hybrid working style, enabling user to productive working from home and office. And friend, it has features for all professions from graphics-oriented fields like photography and CAD-CAM to numbers-oriented fields such as accounting and finance. And friend, comes with its 34-inch high-performance panel, its CrystalClear UltraWide QHD 3440x1440 resolution, and its ultra-wide color technology. This monitor offers an exceptionally vibrant and satisfying visual experience, and wide viewing angle of 178° by 178° combined with generous 21:9 format result in greater productivity with plenty of space for side-by-side comparison, large spreadsheet, and comfortable collaboration with co-workers. And friend, beyond its outstanding visual performance, it is equipped with professional working from home with convenient, intelligent features to support their focus and productivity. And friend, a built-in 5-megapixel webcam certified for Windows HelloTM, and friend, delivers high-quality images, while noise-cancelling microphone and 5-watt integrated speakers provide clear communication and optimal integration. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at 479.99 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.